Have you struggled to shed unwanted pounds? Well, you're not alone. You can add fat-melting foods to your diet, and I'm going to show you how with roasted chickpeas, cinnamon roasted chickpeas, and chili roasted chickpeas. The first thing you do is you heat up your oven to 375 degrees. You line a rimmed cookie sheet with parchment paper. The cinnamon roasted chickpeas, you first add Turbinado sugar or any other type of sweetener. That would be 2 teaspoons, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. You mix all of these ingredients together and you add 1 cup of garbanzo beans that have been drained. You mix all of this together. Set that aside. And now I'm going to make the red hot chili chickpeas. The first ingredient is 1/2 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne. You mix all of these ingredients, and then you add the 1 cup of drained garbanzo beans. This looks so delicious. Once you mix all of this up, then you put it onto your parchment paper lined cookie sheet. You spread this out so that they're one level. So that is ready to go into the oven. And this is the cinnamon garbanzo beans. Spread this out on your cookie sheet evenly. And they're ready to go into the oven for 40 to 45 minutes, and you mix them occasionally every 5 minutes or so. So now you have a guilt-free, fat-busting snack.